If you are getting the support code SS06 error on Snapchat, first thing is that we have to determine the cause of this error. Now this error is caused when Snapchat has banned our device due to abuse or repeated violations of the community guidelines. Now once your device has been banned, you will not be able to log into Snapchat whatsoever. So I'm going to show you how you can probably fix this kind of error. Firstly, go to Play Store. Firstly, you're going to install this application here, Parallel Space App Cloning. After the installation of this app, you're going to install another app. Let me show you this one here, Parallel Space 64-bit support. After you have installed both the apps, you're going to open the first one, that is Parallel Space App Cloning. Open. And inside this app, we're going to clone Snapchat here. Allow all the permissions. Start. And we're going to untick all other apps and just clone the Snapchat. Once the Snapchat is selected, tap on Add to Parallel Space and just accept the conditions and permissions. Now this newly cloned Snapchat will identify your device as a unique one. What you can do is you can just sign up here and create a new account and it will work. So this is the only fix for the support code SS06 error, because once your device has been banned, you will not be able to log in or sign up on that device. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.